talk about cookies. I know, you're shocked, right? Because yes, you can eat the cookie and you don't have to earn it, and you definitely don't have to feel guilty about it. Those drive me crazy. But let's talk about it. So this is the first video in a series I'm calling Keep It, Pair It, Balance It. It is all about enjoying the food you love and giving your body what it needs to feel good. Okay, so here's the thing. There is so much pressure on women, especially moms, to eat clean, to avoid sugar, to follow some rigid diet plan, to get in all these hours working out. And we're told all the time what not to eat. We're told to watch it, to be careful, and honestly, it can be exhausting. And a lot of the time it backfires. You skip the cookie and then you wind up eating half the bag later. Okay, so instead of cutting food out, what if you just added a little something to make it more balanced? Think like complete meal, with your treat in there as well. So that's what this series is about. Keep it, pair it, balance it. Okay? So you keep the food you enjoy, you pair it with something more nourishing, and you create a balanced combo that feels good and keeps you satisfied. Okay, so let's break that down. Let's use cookies today. So you can think about maybe crumbling the cookie into some yogurt. It's really delicious. I actually really enjoy it. You still get the cookie flavor you're craving, but now you've added protein. If you throw in some fruit, you maybe added fiber. Okay, maybe there's even a little bit of fat in there, and it helps keep you full and your blood sugar stays more steady so that you don't wind up craving something else later. Okay, you could maybe put the cookie on your plate with your meal, not as a secret treat after the kids go to bed or an hour after dinner. Because when you eat it with protein, fiber, and a healthy fat, you're less likely to overdo it. So you feel more satisfied and you can move on from the craving. You can pair it with something like almonds or peanut butter or a protein smoothie. Think about like putting peanut butter on the cookie. Okay, these little add-ons can make the snack so much more complete. So you're not just left wanting more 10 minutes later. You feel full, you've kicked the craving, there's so many benefits to it. So no, you do not need to cut out the cookie or the treat. You just need to pair them in a way that works for your body, not against it. Mind matters too. Okay, this approach gives you flexibility, it removes the guilt, and it helps you build better habits over time. Simple. Keep it, pair it, balance it. So if you want more, hit subscribe and you'll get more real food tips that actually fit into your life and not some perfect plan that falls apart by Tuesday. Okay, I will have more coming up on the series, different foods. If there's one you want me to touch on, let me know in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you next time with Keep It, Pair It, Balance It. Bye, guys.